Dun, dun, dun. Look, guys, I got my new science kit. Let's unbox this. It's Earth and Crystal Science Kit. Let's start unboxing. There are 100 experiments. So let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow. This is like the old one. Earth and Crystal Science Kit. Action Manual. Earth and Crystal Science Kit Bonus Manual. Oh, we got some vinegars, baking sodas, so many food coloring, and some powder like citric acid, crystal mix, and crystal powder. This is my toolkit. So let's see what's inside the toolbox. Geyser mold, measuring cylinder, mini volcano, a snowman mold, dropper, spatula, cups. We only have 2 cups. Funnel, tray, it's all falling down. My mother is helping me. There are way too many of these things. And last but not least, these 2 things. So we're done with the 2 kits. Let's move on to our science kit. So we have volcano science, waterfall science, geyser science, snow science, crystal science, ocean science, and weather science experiments. I think this is gonna be fun. So this is the end of the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Please stay tuned to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.